Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you what is the best engine. Best engine varies by market, but general guidance for S60 is: better choices are later drive E4 cylinder, for example D45 petrol, D4 diesel, improved efficiency and fewer timing overheating issues compared with early small turbo units, but still sensitive to oil quality and intervals. Proven 5-cylinder diesels D3, D4, D5 are durable with good torque if maintained, though they can be noisy and expensive to fix when something fails. Engines to be careful with: certain 4-5-cylinder petrols with problematic gear with known oil consumption, overheating issues. Owners and specialists often warn against buying those without perfect history. Whichever engine you choose, frequent oil changes and cooling system checks are critical for longevity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.